What's going on YouTube? It's me, Jeffrey, again, and today we are doing another episode of Culture Chaos. This is for the 5th episode. We are doing the case of Johnny Depp versus Amber Heard. This is an ongoing defamation trial in Fairfax County, Virginia, in the United States that started on April 11, 2022. Johnny Depp, who is the plaintiff, and Amber Heard, who is the defendant, were both married from 2015 to 2017, but had been together since 2012. And of course, they began a relationship in 2012, married in 2015. Amber Heard filed for divorce in 2016. Talk about a one-year marriage. And obtained a temporary restraining order against him. In response, Johnny Depp alleged she was attempting to quote-unquote secure a premature financial resolution by alleging abuse. Hearing testified about the alleged abuse at the divorce court deposition, saying that Johnny has been verbally and physically abusive throughout the whole relationship, usually while intoxicated by alcohol or drugs. Don't do drugs or alcohol. The divorce received a large amount of publicity, with images of Amber's alleged injuries published by the media. The settlement was reached in August 2016, and the divorce was finalized in 2017. They both issued a joint restatement stating that their relationship was intensely passionate and at times volatile, but was always bound by love. Neither has made false accusations for financial gain. There was never any intent of, physical or emotional harm. Of course, however, let's jump to, 2022. Trial. This is how it all happened. Started back in 2019, Johnny Depp sued Heard over the December 2018 OPED in the Washington Post. Depp also again alleged that Heard had been the abuser and that the allegations constituted a hoax. Hope I spelled that right. Constituted a hoax against him. Now we go to 2020, where Heard countersued Depp, alleging that he had coordinated a harassment campaign via Twitter by orchestrating online petitions in the effort to get her fired from Aquaman and L'Oreal. Is that how you spell it? L'Oreal. I'll just say it that way. The trial is currently being held in the court in Fairfax County in the state of Virginia, as the servers for Washington Post online edition are located in the county. Of course, there's been saying that this is a current case going on in real life. So I've been trying to steer myself in the steady position when it goes to politics. Because one, I'm trying not to be political in this video as much. But like I said, like I said about the case, I was about to talk about the people in the case, which I'm going to start with Johnny Depp. John Christopher Depp II was born in 1963 and is currently an American actor, producer, musician, and painter. Now, I currently know him for his voice acting as Willy Wonka from Charlie and the Chocolate Factory, JKL, or Jack Kahuna Laguna from SpongeBob, and of course his most famous acting role known as Captain Jack Sparrow from the Pirates of the Caribbean series. And Amber Heard is, of course, his ex-wife, who was born in 1986, who is an American actress and activist, beginning the career in 2000s. Now that we know both of that and some of the case, let's continue on to the part 2 of this video, where we find out that I saw this on the YouTube video where it turns out that, now I'm just going to say this, that Amber Heard was actually the one abusing Johnny. And that's I thought, like, I was shocked. Like, now, in defense to Johnny Depp and his fans, like, I'm just gonna say that, like, trying to do this to Johnny Depp, especially for when he's a good actor, like, come on. I mean, some people think it's real, some think it's fake. But it states on April 11th, they reported to a Fairfax, Virginia courtroom for a long-awaited defamation trial that would air all the stuff of the dirty laundry of their tumultuous marriage. That's a weird-ass word. Tumultuous. I can't pronounce it, okay? I'll just say tumultuous. The first 3 weeks of this testimony has offered a cascade of eye-popping revelations, with Amber, through her attorneys, accusing Johnny Depp of sexual assault, while one of Johnny Depp's bodyguards testified that he witnessed the actress throw a Red Bull can at her ex, as well as punch him in the face. Ouch. That's gonna hurt in the morning. Also laying bare hands with Johnny Depp's astronomical salaries, which include $22.5 million for a would-be Pirates of the Caribbean 6, and sordid details of his, quote, drug and booze benders with famous friends like Marilyn Manson and Paul Bettany. But as wild as unpleasant as the proceedings have been, there was an even ugly shadow war raging in the courtroom of public opinions, as the often toxic social media fans of both celebrities had to take to social media like Twitter and trash the other side. Heard was borne the brunt of the vitriol, which ranges from the deluge of posts tagged hashtag justice for Johnny Depp and hashtag free Johnny, who is not currently in jail, to out-and-out death threats. According to the screenshot provided by a source close to Heard, one Twitter user named quote-unquote Chloe wrote on April 13th, quote, "Who wants to join me in my expedition to brutally murder Amber Heard?" Another named Nah wrote a week later, "Amber Heard, you big bobblehead butch, I'm coming for you when you get out of court, how your lying ass big face butch it up." Why are people saying these things to both people when it's not right to even say that? Honestly, fucking hell. Anyways, similar sentiments are not hard to find. Also on April 13, a user with the handle History with no O, History tweeted, "BRB on my way to go murder Amber Heard. That fucking psycho." Now those are the toxic fans of Johnny Depp. And yeah, there's some people that are fans of Johnny Depp and Amber Heard themselves, like, but I'm not really that kind of toxic person. I like Johnny Depp just for his acting. I don't know him much as a person, but all I know him is his acting for Charlie and the Chocolate Factory, SpongeBob, and the Pirates of the Caribbean series. Anyways, back to our subject. Even fellow celebrities seem to be entering this fray. So on April 20th, Johnny Depp picked up a new Instagram follower, joining up to 14.4 million in Jason Momoa, who stars opposite Heard in the Aquaman franchise. Team Johnny was quick to read the tea leaves with a Twitter named Strawberry Fields pinning, quote, Jason Momoa really just said, quote, justice for Johnny Depp by following him on Instagram. Of course, it turns out this is where the shocking revelation is. The shocking revelation is that Amber Heard was fucking lying about Johnny Depp. Dun dun dun. Yep, you heard it, folks. It was freaking Amber Heard who lied about everything to Johnny Depp. And Johnny Depp's, like, defense actually was able to, like, stop Amber in her tracks. And then, yes, this case is still going on. You can watch it on YouTube. And basically, it just shows Amber Heard getting destroyed by Johnny Depp's defense attorney. like, this is what happens when you're accusing someone of anything, okay? There's always have to be some sort of defense. You can't just say things about them and then get away with it. That's not how it works. You can't let one part of the jury just let the jury decide on who's right, who's wrong. You can't just do that as a one-way thinking. That's stupid. It's hypocritical, basically. Of course, some people might think of that as the opposite way, but I think differently. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this episode of Culture Chaos, and feel free to watch the current case of Johnny Depp versus Amber Heard on YouTube or Twitter. So yeah, just to see who is the right and wrong. So like I said, thanks for watching this Culture Chaos episode. Like, comment, share, subscribe. This is Jeffrey Sambursky, aka For True Good Reason, signing out.